Hey everyone, DE. Today I'm breaking down the different types of measurement reliability you need to know. Whether you're diving into research or just curious about how stuff gets measured, this one's for you. First up, we have retest reliability. This one's all about consistency over time. Imagine you take a test today and then again in 2 weeks. If your scores are pretty similar, that's test-retest reliability at work. It checks if the measure sticks when you hit repeat. Next, let's talk about inter-rater reliability. This is crucial when you have multiple people rating or judging something. Think of it like getting your essay graded by 2 different teachers. If they give you similar scores, that means high inter-rater reliability. It ensures that different raters or judges see things the same way. Then there's parallel forms reliability. Picture this. You have 2 different versions of a test, but they're designed to measure the same thing. If you score similarly on both, it means the tests are reliable. This type is super useful for avoiding practice effects. Now, let's not forget about internal consistency. This one's all about the harmony within a test. If different parts of your test measure the same concept, they should produce similar results. It's like making sure all parts of your car work together smoothly. Finally, we have split-half reliability. Imagine splitting your test in half and comparing the scores from each part. If the results are consistent, you've nailed split-half reliability. It's a quick way to check internal consistency, and there you have it. Understanding these types of reliability is key to solid research and measurement. Drop a comment if you have any questions or need clarifications, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Stay curious, folks. See you next time.